Start by lightly sketching the shape of the water drop. Continue refining the details of your water drop, adding additional shading and highlights as needed to enhance its realistic appearance. Take your time and pay attention to the subtle nuances of light and shadow. Use a blending tool to smooth out any harsh lines and soften the edges. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and tips. Feel free to share your own water drop drawings in the comments below.